With the BOP20 starter kit you'll have everything you need to convey oil. The kit includes a removable and replaceable powerhead, stem kit, a 1.5 meter spiral wound hose, on-demand nozzle, drip cap, battery charger and an 18-volt smart battery. The innovative heart of the BOP system is the motor drive unit itself, the powerhead. Take the powerhead and fit it up to the stem. Turn it on. The unit then self-primes. Once it's self-primed, and you pull the trigger, the unit is ready to start dispensing oil. You can have a number of different stems to suit every oil in your workshop, so you don't have oil contamination. Every stem has an adjustment on the bottom of it that is suitable for different depth drums. The adapter system at the top suits different drum openings. The flow rate out of the nozzle is 3.5 liters per minute, depending on the viscosity of the oil. The powerhead is powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery that can be recharged on the supplied battery charger. Out of a single battery charge, you pump approximately 100 liters. The BOP20 starter kit is nicely packed in a box, measuring 14 by 20 by 5 inches and weighs 4.8 kg. The optional stem kit allows you to set up numerous fluids without the need to buy another complete BOP20 kit. This not only saves money, but it prevents cross-contamination, because the wetted parts are in the stem, hose and dispensing gun, and not the powerhead. The BOP20 pump stem package includes a 20-liter low-mid oil pump stem, an on-demand control nozzle with a 1.5 meter hose, and complementary bung adapters to suit various drum openings.